Now it's time for the answer the following questions briefly. So first question, name the countries included in the Indian subcontinent. And the answer for this question is in the page number 8, quick recap, first point. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bhutan together constitute the Indian subcontinent. Okay. Second question, name the various terms used for the Indian subcontinent in ancient times. So from question, various terms used for the Indian subcontinent in ancient times were. Now come to page number 5, the starting of the lesson. First, Saptasandha, Brahmadesh, Aryavart, Dakshinpat. So this was your second answer. Third question, what were the major historical developments during the medieval period? From question, the major historical developments during the medieval period were. Come to page number 6. First point, second point, third point, from here to here. Okay. Fourth question, how did India get its present name? Students, I will narrate the answer of this question when the classes will start. Now come to answer the following questions in detail. First question, discuss the major historical trends during the medieval period. This answer will also be narrated in the class. The classes will resume. Second question, describe the various sources of history of medieval India. So the answer to this question is in the quick recap here. This from here to here. The sources of history include archaeological and literary sources. Monuments, temples, mosques, minarets, pillars, inscriptions, coins, etc. form the archaeological sources of history, while autobiographies, biographies and other memoirs, account of foreign travelers and other works form the literary sources of history. From here to here, your second answer of this question. Third question, why are coins and inscriptions important for the history of medieval period? So come to page number 7. First, inscription. हेडिंग डालनी है आप लोगों को. हेडिंग डालने के बाद ये आपको पूरा लिखना है. एटसेट्रा तक. उसके बाद कॉइन्स, और ये भी आपको पूरा लिखना है. ये आपका लॉन्ग का थर्ड है. ओके. Last question, our information about the medieval period is much more than the ancient period. Explain why. So come here, sources of medieval period में यहाँ से स्टार्ट करिएगा और यहाँ तक करिएगा. तो ये आपका लॉन्ग का फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है और ये पूरा का पूरा आपका फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में इंक्लूडेड है. यहाँ तक कर लीजिए. और बाकी जो दो क्वेश्चन छूट गए हैं, शॉर्ट का फोर्थ एंड लॉन्ग का फर्स्ट, ये मैं आप लोगों को जब क्लासेज स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी मैं तब आप लोगों को क्लास में कराऊंगा। थैंक यू। इन क्वेश्चंस को अपनी फेयर कॉपीज़ में कर लीजिएगा और लर्न भी कर लीजिएगा। थैंक यू।